Today I'm going to show you how to change out a shower head. This is a very easy job. You do not need a plumber. Plumbers are great. They are worth their money, a good plumber when you need them. This is very simple. There might be a variety of reasons you want to change out your shower head. You might just want a new head. Maybe this one's broken. This one here actually periodically gets a leak around this edge here, and the seal is not replaceable by the manufacturer, so we got a new one. And we're going to put it on, but you might want a different look. You might want a different type, a different spray pattern. There's a variety of reasons you may want to change out your shower head, but it's a very easy job. I'll show you how to do it. Only a few tools are needed, so let's get started. So the tools we're going to use today are an adjustable wrench, some Teflon tape, an old toothbrush or a wire brush, and a washcloth to help protect the finish when using the wrench. All right, first step is to take the old one off. You can use a variety of wrenches for this. Got adjustable wrench here, crescent wrench here, commonly called a crescent wrench, adjustable wrench here. Today I'm probably going to go with the old Channel-Loks, which is a name brand adjustable wrench, but Channel-Loks, a lot of people call them Channel-Loks. So we're going to go with that today to take this one off. We're going to place the wrench right here to untighten it to take the old one off. You do want to be careful. You will scratch the finish here if you're not careful. We're going to use an old rag in the place of that. If it does get scratched, it's not going to hurt the functionality of it. It's this aesthetic scratch on it. Still don't want it, but it's not the end of the world if it does happen. So let's take the old one off. Just get it loose there. Once it gets loose, you can probably remove it by hand the rest of the way. For the next step, you want to clean this edge off. This one looks like they used some plumber's putty in there. We're going to use Teflon tape for the replacement. I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. Stick with me. And we're going to clean this off. I've got a wire brush here, but if you don't have a wire brush, you can use an old toothbrush and then throw the toothbrush away or keep it just for cleaning purposes. Wouldn't put it back in your mouth. So we're going to scrub this off some. A lot of this plumber's putty is going to be on there really hard from over the years, so just clean it as best you can. So the next step, we're going to wrap some Teflon tape. You can get really inexpensive at your local hardware store. Wrap it on these threads. That'll help make a good seal so you won't get any leaks. I'm going to wrap it in a clockwise fashion. Just needs about 2 wraps around it. Don't have to be super perfect or anything. All right, now we're ready to install the new shower head. Just going to hand tighten it on here. All right, we've got it hand tightened. Now we're just going to put the wrench on it with the rag to protect the finish so it doesn't get scratched. We're just going to do a slight turn here, probably not even a full turn, just until we feel that it's nice and snug. Prevent any leaks coming out. Make the wrench a little bit bigger. I'll do it right there. So there you have it, new shower head installed. Very simple project. The only tools we use: Teflon tape, use a toothbrush or an old wire brush, adjustable wrench, and a washcloth to help protect the finish on your shower head and plumbing. One thing I was going to mention, if the shower coming out of the wall is loose, you might need a second adjustable wrench to put on here to hold this and keep this from spinning. You don't want this to spin because up in the wall there's plumbing there. We don't want to break that off. So this one was nice and secure, but if yours is loose, you might need to put a wrench around that and then a wrench around the shower head. If you found this helpful, please subscribe and give me a like below. I really appreciate it. It helps me keep doing these videos and helping you out. And I was going to also mention that if you don't have these tools, buying these tools is even cheaper than hiring a plumber. You can do this as an easy project. Thanks for watching.